If you join our Speakers Bureau, you would be my partner and my lifeline. I will walk through fire to protect you.
Thank you for sharing, Doctor.
And never forget, always hire a rep with versatility. Hey, come with me. Just this first time.
It's time to spread your wings, little bird. You got this.
And while our blue chip competitors were fighting over the marquee MDs at the Mayo Clinic,
Dr. Davis, Jackie Drake from Xana.
we were going after the guys Pfizer wouldn't toss a free pen.
How you doing?
Do it especially well right now, thank you.
And without that platoon of desperate reps, we'd have never hit our gold mine of desperate doctors.
Thank you all.
The real education at our events was us learning that doctors are just as greedy and horny as everyone else.